Man, we are on 10th Street Northwest, Calgary. I like this street. I mean, it has a kind of a vibe that I like. You know, colorful, a lot of little, let's call it boutiques. I'm not sure if it's a boutique, but like all of these little places to eat some, you know, go out, have a beautiful evening. And I also need to switch up the battery soon because it's gonna run out. I need to check for some food in the meanwhile. This is the warm stuff. So I'm getting that up there and that one. All right, so I got me 2 pieces of each because I'm Tim Boy, you know, I'm skinny and all, so I hope that will be fine. And pay and eat, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna eat my chicken strips, whatever, bum style, you know what's up, and then continue maybe to the bar visited yesterday. That's what happens for a vegan. This is Kensington Road. Let's check it out.